Maharashtra has witnessed a significant development. Devendra Fadnavis has officially been approved as the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra, marking his return to power for the third time. This move also signals a strong message, especially after speculations regarding a possible Maratha or OBC face being chosen. But have you ever thought that why did the party stick with Fadnavis, who hails from the Brahmin community, when other states like Rajasthan, MP and Haryana have seen changes in leadership to reflect regional and caste dynamics? Well, let's analyze the reasons behind this. First of all comes the experienced leadership of Devendra Fadnavis. Well, Devendra Fadnavis, a 6-time MLA and former Chief Minister, is seen as a seasoned leader with the experience needed to navigate Maharashtra's complex politics. His long-standing appeal across different regions and communities made him the logical choice for BJP. Then comes his track record as the Chief Minister. Well, Fadnavis as Chief Minister led Maharashtra from 2014 to 2019 and has a proven track record. Although his second tenure was cut short in 2019, he has remained a significant figure in state politics, having won multiple elections and served as mayor of Nagpur. Fadnavis once again proved his potential when in 2019, when Uddhav Thackeray broke away from the NDA. Fadnavis held his ground and proved that BJP had not made pre-election promises to Thackeray, demonstrating his leadership in a time of political upheaval. Then comes navigating the Shiv Sena split. Well, Devendra Fadnavis played a key role in managing the Shiv Sena split in 2022, supporting Eknath Shinde's faction to form a stable government and ensuring continuity and stability in Maharashtra's politics. Then comes handling the Ajit Pawar faction crisis. In 2023, when Ajit Pawar's faction joined the NDA, Fadnavis facilitated the power-sharing formula, integrating 9 of Ajit's MLAs without upsetting the existing cabinet and showcasing his political acumen. Then, adjusting strategy after 2024 setbacks. Following a poor show in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Fadnavis' government introduced welfare schemes like Ladki Behan Yojana, which helped the BJP regain voter support and turned the tide in the subsequent state assembly elections. Then there was the strategic seat sharing in 2024 elections. Devendra Fadnavis played a pivotal role in finalizing the seat sharing formula for the 2024 elections, balancing regional and communal considerations. His leadership helped the NDA achieve significant success, with Mahavikas Aghadi falling to just 49 seats. Therefore, Fadnavis' return as CM reflects his experience and BJP's strategic vision to stabilize and govern Maharashtra.